welcome to our podcast on digital citizenship for elementary students. Today, we're going to be talking about what's digital citizenship, why is it important, and some good tips for being a good digital citizen.
So what is digital citizenship?
Digital citizenship is about being a responsible and ethical user of technology. It means being respectful of others online, protecting your privacy and safety, and using technology in a way that's positive and productive.
Why is digital citizenship important?
Digital citizenship is important because we spend so much time online these days. We use technology to learn, to connect with friends and family, and to entertain ourselves. It's important to know how to use technology safely and responsibly.
That's right. There are a lot of dangers online, like cyberbullying, predators, and inappropriate content. It's important to be aware of these dangers and to take steps to protect yourself.
So, how can we be good digital citizens?
There are a lot of things we can do to be good digital citizens. Here are a few tips.
Be respectful of others online, just like you would in real life. Be kind and polite to others. Avoid cyberbullying and harassment.
Protect your privacy and safety. Be careful about what information you share online and who you are sharing it with. Be aware of online predators and scams.
Use technology in a positive and productive way. Use technology to learn, to connect with others, and to create positive content.
Those are great tips. Here are a few more.
Be a good role model for others. Show others how to be good digital citizens by being a good example yourself.
Stay informed about the latest digital trends and technologies. This will help you stay safe and protect your privacy.
Get involved in your community. Use technology to make a positive impact on your community.
Thanks for listening to our podcast on digital citizenship for elementary students. We hope you learned something new. Remember, it's important to be responsible and ethical user of technology. Be respectful of others, protect your privacy and safety, and use technology in a positive and productive way.
Thanks again for listening. If you have any questions about digital citizenship, please visit our website or contact us. We're here to help.